Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. Day 4 in the goddamn Big Brother's house. So yesterday guys, I seen it, I did lemon pepper wing chicken. Oh my days, it was so nice. But let that you know that guys only have 3 pieces of wings and that's it. Dan had loads. A few other guys as well have loads of it as well. Literally I left back with nothing. But make sure you go and check it out guys. Link is in the description. The recipe is also in the description. Yeah, you would definitely like it. As I said, Valentine's coming up. Perfect, you know what I mean? On a budget, good to go. You don't have to order that Nando's and all of that stuff, yeah? So make sure you guys go and check it out. Today guys, unfortunately I didn't do much vlog today because I got literally snowed under via email and also meetings. I've been on like 4 meetings. Straight after the meetings, you know, you come back, you have to check your emails, make sure everything's singing, dancing. Now it was a bit hard for me to go and get footage at the same time. I did a little bit this morning, but apart from that though, it's nothing much for me to fit into a vlog, so it wouldn't really to make sense. Yeah, so I just kind of decided that, you know what, I'd rather sit down there and be transparent and have a chat with you guys, yeah? Unfortunately guys, you know that Sir Captain Tom Ward passed away 2 days ago now, and trust me, he was one of my idol, you know what I mean? My hero, I should say, without a doubt. And it's such sad news because for someone for his age to get up and did 100 laps of his garden, it's absolutely remarkable, you know? And I just mad love, just mad respect for him for that. And it's just the fact that you got guys and girls who are looking to come here and they're even scared to even do a 2-miler, scared to even do a press up. They literally sit in the room and say, oh, I don't know what to do. Everything is on the internet, you know what I mean? What they can literally go and check, you know what I mean? And practice themselves. And it's just so sad to know that society like changed so much, you know? And no one really give a 2 cent, you know? But that's the thing though, what I'm saying, like a lot of people just have to just be careful who they surround themselves with. Because even here, you know, I can't say a name, but you know, you got someone who is a leader here, yeah? And he's telling me that he's more afraid of what people think about him, you know what I mean? And if he might do a course and he fail the course and then he come back and people like laugh at him and all that. And I'm saying like it's mad, it's crazy because he's there and then you got people who's under him, who's looking up to him. These people who's looking up to him thinking that he's a strong leader, but he's not a strong leader. And that's the thing with you guys and girls as well. A lot of you guys tune into a lot of influencers on social media. And I think these people like such a strong influencer and saying the right thing and all of that. And trust me, half of them like literally go off and cry. You know what I mean? Because you know they don't got that motivation to carry on, you know what I mean? But as soon as they turn the camera on, it's like, oh hello, blah 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 blah. And that's the thing you need to be careful of, because not everyone cut out with the same cloth. Looking back on Captain Mo, if he did turn around and say, you know what, I'm not gonna do it because I'm really old and people might like laugh at me, we wouldn't even know about him today, to be honest. You know what I mean? A lot of people wouldn't even know about him, you know? So literally he just have that mindset, that go-getter mentality, you know what I mean? I say, you know what, I really don't care what no one think about me. Yeah, and he literally went off, did his little walk, his 100 walks, you know what I mean? Laps I should say, 100 laps around the garden, and raise as much money for us, for you guys who's watching now, you know? And that's what I'm saying guys, just be careful who you surround yourself by, because everyone does need a mentor, you know? But you just have to just be careful of the guys and girls who you surround yourself with, you know what I mean? And don't be afraid, don't care what people think about you, because half of them want to do what you do as well, you get me? Or want to start something but scared to start. Like a lot of people like email me, text me regarding YouTube there, they want to start a YouTube channel and all that. Guys, start, just bloody start it. Look at Dan now, you know what I mean? Dan is doing good, you know what I mean? And you know, he started off like, he started with his phone I believe, you know? And yeah, the rest is history. And yeah, so never give up, you know what I mean? Always believe in yourself, you know what I mean? And the rest will follow through, you know? As I said guys, this is gonna be like a short vlog. Day 4 of the challenge. Tomorrow is gonna be bigger and better, can't wait. Make sure you guys also go over to Dan's page as well guys, yeah? Drop a like, comment and share and all of that, yeah? And you don't know, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, yeah? Like and share and all of that stuff as well guys, yeah? Tomorrow is going to be bigger and better. I really can't wait guys. Day 5, so I'm looking forward for it, and hopefully it's not a lot of work on tomorrow, you know, so I can literally go off and vlog my day. But yeah, I'm looking forward for it guys. Hope you guys enjoy this content. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do something creative to make this vlog make sense, really, truly, you know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, guys, and you don't know, drop me a comment, drop me a like, and if you want to start a YouTube channel, guys, do it. I'm thinking, you know what I mean, it's one of the best things I've done so far. I've came across some great people, talked to some random people all over the world, you know, so it is really good, you know what I mean? I'm thinking it helped me in a lot of ways, you know, and it also helped me with my depression as well, you know, and that's one of the reasons why I started this as well. Anyway, we saved that for another time and things to talk about. Hope you guys like this video. Don't know, like, share and all that stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow, day 5. Can't wait. Peace.
I have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears, and sweat. We have before us an ordeal of the most grievous kind. We have before us many, many long months of struggle and of suffering. You ask, what is our policy? I will say, it is to wage war by sea, land, and air, with all our might, with all the strength that God can give us, to wage war against a monstrous tyranny never surpassed in the dark and lamentable catalogue of human crime. That is our policy. You ask, what is our aim? I can answer in one word: victory. Victory at all costs. Victory in spite of all terror. Victory however long and hard the road may be. For without victory there is no survival.
Now we are the masters of our fate. That the task which has been set us is not above our strength. That its pangs and toils are not beyond our endurance. As long as we have faith in our cause and an unconquerable willpower, salvation will not be denied us.
Hitler knows that he will have to break us in this island or lose the war. Let us, therefore, brace ourselves to our duties, and so bear ourselves that if the British Empire and its Commonwealth last for 1,000 years, men will still say, this was their finest hour. Never in the field of human conflict was so much owed by so many to so few. We shall fight in France, we shall fight on the seas and oceans, we shall fight with growing confidence and growing strength in the air. We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing grounds, we shall fight in the fields and in the streets, we shall fight in the hills. We shall never surrender. Never give in. Never, never, never. In nothing, great or small, large or petty, never give in except to convictions of honor and good sense. Never yield to force. Never yield to the apparently overwhelming might of the enemy. We stood all alone a year ago, and to many countries it seemed that our account was closed. We were finished. All this tradition of ours, our school history, our songs, this part of the history of our country, all were gone and finished and liquidated. Very different is the mood today. Britain, other nations thought, had drawn a sponge across her slate, but instead our country stood in the gap. There was no flinching, no thought of giving in. And by what seemed almost a miracle to those outside these islands, though we ourselves never doubted it, we now find ourselves in a position where I say we can be sure that we have only to persevere to conquer.
Come on, take the pain. Come on, take the pain. Come on, take the pain. you.